Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make use of animated stickers on your Signal app. So while chatting with somebody on Signal, you can make use of animated stickers and also download more animated stickers if you don't have enough on your Signal. Let me show you guys how to make use of animated sticker and download more animated sticker. Now go ahead and open your Signal app wherever it's located on your device. The next thing, try to open any chat conversation, and you can notice when you click on to write a messenger, right on the left hand side you can notice this sticker icon. Go ahead and click on that. So these are the animated sticker that is already installed on default, so I can just make use of any one that I want to. But if for some reason I need more animated sticker, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon just on the bottom area, just on the bottom right area. Click on that. So once you click on that section, it's going to display more stickers for you. The only animated sticker right here is this one that is showing the image. The rest are just default stickers, they are not animated. So if I click to download them, it will not be animated. But I'm going to go ahead and search for more animated stickers. So to get more animated stickers, either you add one coming from somebody's conversation, maybe somebody chatted you and had a different animated sticker. They are going to display right here from stickers you received, so you can go ahead and click and download that. But if you don't have any animated stickers that you've received so far, just follow this step to download more animated sticker. Now go to any browser, open any browser of your choice on your device. Now on your Google search, on the search section, or you can just type to open Google search, then go ahead and type Signal sticker. Make sure you have your spelling right. So once you type it, it's going to show this first option that shows signalstickers.com. Go ahead and click on it. But if you can memorize, just go ahead and type Signal stickers on your device. Now it's going to show you every other stickers, both the animated one and the non-animated one. But since we want animated stickers, all you need to do is to click on animated stickers. But if you want to download more stickers, you can go ahead and download any of all these ones that are actually default non-animated stickers. But if you need only animated stickers, go ahead and select the animated sticker option, and it's going to display all the animated stickers for you. So I'm going to go ahead and download this Squidboards animated sticker. So all you need to do is to click on add to Signal, and then click on Signal. Wait for it. Just now. Select just now, and then it's going to display right here and say install. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and you can notice it started installing. Right now I'm going to go right back to the sticker section to download another one. So I'm going to back out. I think I like this cute doll, and I love cards also, but I'm going to get this one first. So there you go. Click on add to Signal, just one, install. And then I'm going to go right back here again to choose a different one, and that would be Sonic. So to add Sonic, this is not really cool, so let me add this cute one instead. Add to Signal, just now, install. And then these are the ones I've installed so far. So if you want more, you can go ahead and install more, just like I did right here. But I'm just going to test this out on a conversation. So I can just say go back to Signal, and then click on the Signal sticker option just after the Signal message. And then you can notice they are all displaying right here. So I can just make use of any of this one. You can notice they are pretty animated, right? You see the way they look, very cool, right? Now I can still come right here and choose any one that I want from here, and pretty much the same thing for every other stickers. You can just scroll right and select each of each and every one individually to see the one that you want to. So once you're satisfied with anyone, just go ahead and send the animated sticker. And since I already downloaded this, I'm making use of it. If any of my friends sees this sticker, they will be able to also download it from their own section, just like I showed you guys. So that is all for today's video. This is how to download more animated stickers on your device and make use of them. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please do subscribe to the channel and like the video and share with your friends. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Please